Hey guys, back another day one unboxing. We got Batman Arkham Asylum today. Or just Arkham City, I mean. And just open this on up. Catwoman! Can't wait to play her. If I can open this. There we go. Alright. Got the Batman disc. Pretty simple. Absolutely no instruction booklet. What's that? Catwoman DLC download. Batman, I don't know what that is. Oh, it's like a catalog. They try and sell you crap. Yeah. Let's just throw this on in. Oops. Oops. That sounded bad. Whatever. Alright. Oh, I'm not even signed in this time. Forgot. Sorry about this, guys. We usually keep it signed in so we can get through this pretty quick. I don't know why it's taking so long. There we go. Really? What did you... Okay. What was it for? Batman, Arkham City. Really? I hate day one updates. Really just makes me mad. Just because I always have to do this. I'm usually making unboxing videos when the first time I play the game and I always get these updates. It's pretty frustrating. Let's check out these achievements. There's 50 of them. Become the Bat. Well, there's a lot of them. That's cool. And of course, hey, there's my friend. Screwing up my videos like usual. Batman, Arkham City. Alright guys, I'm gonna play this, so... Till next time, we'll be doing Battlefield 3.